Greetings, I'm Nora, and welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go ahead and get into your energy to see what the heck you got going on. Gratitude for hitting that like button, shares, comments, as well as subscribing. Take a resonate, leave it does not. If it doesn't apply, go ahead and let that energy fly. All right, let's go ahead and get into it and see what the heck y'all got going on. Energy is always fluid. I could say that is a masculine. It could be a feminine energy. As y'all can see, I'm in another location. Nothing is about to stop me. Okay. When I get that download, like, hey, it's time to record, I go wherever I am, I stop what I'm doing. I'm like, let's go ahead and get to it. Okay. Let's go ahead and get into it. So hopefully you guys had a wonderful, wonderful new year. Well, if you celebrate New Year's, but as I stated before, the official New Year is March. In March, spring. What y'all got going on? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. But yeah, drop in a comment. How was y'all New Year? Somebody giving the evil eye. Somebody giving y'all the evil eye. What's going on? Y'all got a hater? Y'all have a hater in the mix. I'm at the bottom of the deck. I am definitely seeing drama. Okay, maybe whoever this person is trying to cause some sort of drama or something. It's something that you're doing that they're giving the evil eye or trying to hinder or possibly create blockages by giving this evil eye. That's what I'm saying here. This is the energy of someone that could be in your vicinity, in your energy, but still wouldn't celebrate you or something like that. This is one of those people that, if you post something online, they will watch your shit, but they wouldn't like or anything, leave a comment or anything like that. This is that type of energy, okay? What's going on with giving evil eye? What's going on with the Divine Space family, friends, and collective? Giving evil eye. One more. Okay. All right. So, ooh, you guys, it look like some sort of karmic justice is working in your favor. Number 11 could be significant. Ooh, this is the energy of things working out in your favor. I'm seeing someone being held accountable for their actions or something that they've done. Clarify this giving evil eye. Looks like there's an energy of luck here for who I'm speaking of. Okay, I'm seeing an energy of celebration. There's some sort of victory. There's some sort of win. Maybe somebody hit the jackpot. I'm seeing an energy of fortune and reward. Okay, the number 32 could be significant, and I'm showing that someone is under like some sort of stress or experiencing a high level of stress. All right, number 73, it seems like this person has headaches. I'm seeing energy of lack of sleep, under a lot of pressure, feeling like they have to do so much at one time or something like that. And I'm also showing that you guys are um, exceeding succeeding. There's an energy of you guys having some sort of destination. There's an energy of you guys being in alignment with your purpose. I'm seeing an energy of you having higher expectations. There's an energy of level up. There's an energy of abundance is what I'm feeling your energy. And somebody's giving you the evil eye. It's like an energy of this person may be going through their own trauma or want to cause some sort of drama with you. This person also is coming out as an alcoholic. I just looked over there and it said alcoholic. So let's go ahead and clarify this a little bit further. What in the world? Clarify love. Clarify this luck, please, Spirit. The number 10 could be significant as well. Clarify luck for the Divine Space family, friends, and collective. Okay. Clarifying luck is mature man. Okay, number 5. So this person can be possibly be like a father figure that may be involved in this, or someone that may be a little bit older than you, or something like that. Okay. Clarify stress. Okay. Clarifying stress is abandonment. Okay. Number 82 could definitely be significant. It looks like there's an energy of somebody turning their back or walking away. There's an energy of severancing some sort of ties. I see someone moving on. Clarify this goal. Clarify goal for the Divine Space family, friends, and collective. All right, clarifying goal is emotional pain is what I'm showing here. As you are succeeding, you have moved away or severed ties possibly from some sort of older masculine man or something like that. It seems like there was an energy of manipulation here that was being utilized. And I see you abandoning or walking away from whoever this masculine energy is. And I'm seeing there's an energy of somebody under a lot of emotional pain. Okay. It seems like, again, this is like karma. It seems like I heard something, they got bit in the butt. I don't know, bit in the ass, like what they've done came back and is biting them in the ass, is what I'm hearing here. Excuse my French, but that's what I heard. What they have done is coming back or have came back and bit them or biting them in the ass. All right. Woo. Let's go ahead and utilize the tarot. But yeah, it seems like somebody is turning their back or walking away from this mature older masculine, or this older mature masculine energy is turning their back and walking away from someone else. Like I stated before, there's an energy of someone finally receiving what's owed to them. Okay, it seems like an energy of balance. Maybe somebody have been taken from someone from for quite a while. This could be physically, this could be energetically, but like I stated before, there's definitely an energy of someone being rewarded. Someone is leveling up. There's an energy of ascension. Okay, there's an energy of someone making goals, meeting those goals. All right, align in alignment with their purpose. While there's an energy of someone under a lot of stress, and they're giving you the evil eye because things are working out in your favor. And I guess they were praying and hoping that it did not work in your favor, especially when it came to you cutting someone off or severing ties with whoever this person is. They didn't expect things to work out in your favor. They wanted you to need them. This person was very manipulative, you guys. I'm definitely seeing an energy of them being having this energy of concern. Okay, there's energy of definitely concern here because you left. Didn't I say there was energy of somebody left and the number 10 could be significant? And it seems like there's energy of of success, achievement, things working out in your favor. Anything else? Anything else? Yep, we have the full energy here. This is the energy of you guys taking a leap of faith in a different direction. Okay, there's an energy of you guys listening to your intuition, trusting your intuition. I feel like your energy is coming off as innocent, the innocent party in whatever the situation is. All right. Yeah, because there's look, somebody is experiencing heartbreak. There's an energy of heartbreak. I'm seeing an energy of severance of ties, a energy of division, and somebody's in this like energy of self-imposed restriction. They might be going through a death and a rebirth or something like that. There's an energy of someone going through a death and a rebirth. Okay, it's like almost like a dark night of the soul is what I'm seeing here that this energy is going through. Okay, anything else? Yeah, they're gonna have to look themselves in the mirror. This is type of energy that like to point their finger at everyone else when they, this is an energy of someone that lack accountability or don't want to take accountability for something, you know, is what I'm seeing here. As you guys like embark upon this new beginning of happiness, the new beginning of joy with this Ace of Cups, I'm definitely seeing energy of healing. You got this healing energy, this healing spirit about you. Is what I'm seeing here. And it's almost like this person, whoever this older masculine male is, it seems like they want to celebrate with you. They want to be a part of whatever you got going on. But again, this energy is coming off toxic. They are definitely coming out as the devil. They're definitely coming out as manipulative. Look at this. Let me show you something. Y'all see that? I see you guys alone though. There's an energy of wish fulfillment. There's energy of healing. You did the healing work. This is definitely a family member or possibly a relative. This could also have been someone you've been married to, possibly was in a long-term relationship or connection with. Yeah, possibly had children with whoever this person is as well. Could possibly be um, the type of partnership you had with this person. And I'm seeing a closing of a cycle. This is like an ending of a contract, is what I'm showing here. There's an energy of you guys persevering. I feel like things didn't work when you were expecting it to work. It seems like things are operating in divine timing with this Knight of Pentacles. This is the energy of like slow and steady, and it definitely took some time. But again, whoever this person is possibly didn't expect you to succeed or something like that. This could have even been like a friend, you guys. Because with this Three of Cups, this could also be like I'm sorry, yeah, the Three of Cups, this could also have been a friend feeling this way about you as well, that's giving you the evil eye. Drinking alcohol, experiencing a lot of drama or possibly wanting to cause some sort of drama with you. I see you guys over here in this energy of saving or able to save. There's energy of collecting is what I'm showing here. That's what I'm saying. Y'all have a good one.
Can't keep going back to what I used to know. Love